Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to hack Heroic Magic Jewel on your iOS or Android device and get free gems and cheats. So if you're on iOS, go to Settings, General, Background Refresh, and make sure that Wi-Fi and cellular data is enabled. Once you've done that, go to your browser and search for sideload.dev. Just like that guys, sideload.dev. Then press go and you'll be taken to this page. In here you just want to search for Heroic Magic Jewel, there it is, and you just want to tap it and tap Start Injection. As you can see, it will now begin downloading, and by using this method you can grab free gems and cheats, which is awesome because you can obviously get an advantage in the game over other players. So this does depend on your internet speed, so if you have trash internet like me, it can take some time, but it'll eventually be done. But if your internet is fast, then obviously it'll be quicker than this. And as you can see, it's now starting injection, and it's still working its way. And it's just about to be finished. There we go. And this is the last step that you have to do. In here it'll say nearly completed, please install 2 free apps to finish the injection process, and that's about it. So I'm going to walk you through the steps. So you just want to choose from the list an application of your choice and download it. So I'm downloading this one. Your apps may be different, but it does not affect you because it'll still work. So you just want to download the second app. And as you can see, it's now installing and loading. So this one's done, so you just want to open it and run it for 30 seconds. As you can see, I'm now interacting with the app, just like so. And once it's been running for 30 seconds, you can just go back to your home screen, open the second app, and run this one for 30 seconds as well. As you can see, this one's demanding payment, but you do not have to pay for anything. This is completely free to do, which is awesome because you'll obviously get an advantage over others in the game. So, and you just want to basically count to 30 in your head in here, and once that's done you can just go to your home screen, swipe, and you'll see Heroic Magic Jewel plus plus appear on your home screen just like that. The plus plus indicates that it's a hacked application, and I cannot show you it because it's a hacked application and that is against YouTube's terms of service, guys. So yeah, but if you don't see this app, make sure that you are running the apps that you downloaded for longer, as our servers are easily overloaded because they're obviously spammed a lot. But yeah, that prevents spam. So once you've seen your icon, then you can just delete these apps like so. And yeah, and once you open it, you'll have everything that you asked for in there, like free gems and cheats. So yeah guys, that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you next one guys. Peace out.